Okay, so this is the 230 grain Magtech Guardian Gold plus P. You can see just with these two cavities what's left of them. This was fired out of the 3.78 inch Glock G30, and this was fired out of the 5-inch Ruger SR1911. So it's pretty obvious difference. And the longer barrel gives you. And these are not bonded bullets, so you can see there's a lot of shredding going on behind the scenes. They are pretty shredded. They lost a lot of weight too. I'll get a measurement of that also, so we can see. Alright, thanks for watching.